It's June 11, paper 1-2. A circle is divided into 6 sectors in such a way that the angle of the sectors are in arithmetic progression. The angle of the largest sector is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector. Given that the radius of the circle is 5, find the perimeter of the smaller sector. So for A part, the value of n we have it's 6 because it's divided in 6 sectors, and it says the angle of the largest is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector. So let's suppose I am saying that theta smallest is equals to x. So that means theta largest is equals to 4 times x, alright. Now if you consider a circle, so that means the sum of angle is equals to 360 degree. We are going to apply the working formula of sum value is Sn is equals to n upon 2 and a plus l. That is the working formula, right? Sum is 360, n is 6 divided by 2. A is what? A is x and l is what? It's 4x. Alright, so it's 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so that will be 360 is equals to 15 times x, and x is equals to 24 degree. What is x? X is basically angle of smallest sector. Alright, now we need to find out the perimeter. For perimeter, if you construct a roughly sector, so the radius is known, that is equals to 5, and for angle it's 24, which we had find out, right? First we need to find out the arc length. Let's suppose the arc length is y, and since angle is in degrees, so working formula for arc length is what? Angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, and radius is what? It's 5. So when you simplify, you will get the value of arc length, that is equals to 2.09. Alright, that is the arc length. Now the perimeter is what? Perimeter is radius plus arc length, that is equals to 12.09, or round off to 12.1 centimeter. That is your first part answer. Next part B, it says the first, second and third term of geometric progression are 2k plus 3, k plus 6 and k respectively. Given that all the terms of geometric progression are positive, calculate the value of the constant k. Alright, so we have 3 terms. The first one is 2k plus 3, the second one is k plus 6, and the last one is k, right? For geometric progression, we know that the ratio must be same. So now it's k plus 6 divided by 2k plus 3 is equals to k divided by k plus 6. When you simplify, it will be k plus 6 times k plus 6 is equals to k times 2k plus 3. So that will be k square plus a plus b whole square is 8 square plus 2ab, that will be 12k, plus b square, it's 36, is equals to 2k square plus 3k. When you simplify it, it will be k square plus 3k minus 12, it will be minus 9k minus 36 is equals to 0. We can apply the middle term here, so that will be k square minus 12k plus 3k minus 36 is equals to 0. Taking common, it's k minus 12 plus 3, k minus 12 equals to 0. So you will get two values of k. It's k equals to 12 and k equals to minus 3. We are going to consider the positive value only, so that is my answer. In the next part, it says to find out the sum of infinity. The working formula is a divided by 1 minus r. Alright, the 3 terms we have, it's 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3, k plus 6 and k. If I place the value of k here, so that will be 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, 12 plus 6 is 18 and 12. If you find out the ratio here, so that will be 18 divided by 27 leads to 2 divided by 3. So now the working formula of S infinity is equals to a is what? 27 divided by 1 minus 2 divided by 3. You can simplify it, so that will be 27 divided by. In the denominator, I am going to take LCM here, so that will be 3 minus 2 leads to 3 multiplied with 27 leads to 81, and 3 minus 2 1. So that is your answer for S infinity.